Alright, so you saw the previous video where I bought a brand new T56 Magnum, and before we can install this, I want to clean up this bell housing. So this is an LS1 bell housing, and as you can see, it's a little corroded and a little dirty, so we're going to vapor blast that because why not? And you're not going to be really seeing this part. It's under the car in the trans tunnel, really, so not going to go crazy on it, but I do want to clean it up a little bit because hey, we got a new transmission. All right, we'll throw it in the cabinet, and I will be using the 10-horse gun. So that's 37 CFM at 60 PSI. I only have a 5-horse compressor capable of 17 to 19 CFM, so it's going to deplete the tank. Well, when that happens, I'll walk away and do something else because I am impatient and lazy today, okay? I want to get this done. This part's not too bad, so let's just see how it goes. Alright, so here it is all done. It's got a super nice sheen to it. It actually looks better than the rest of this transmission. So this is all new, right? And this bell housing is several years old, probably 20 years old, and it's just been vapor blasted. Now, I didn't go crazy in here because the clutch will live in here and it's going to get dirty anyway, and I don't think the clutch cares what the inside looks like. But anyway, I just hit it really quick, and it's good enough. So it took 24 minutes or so, based off the hour meter on my vapor blaster, but actually it was about 40 minutes total because I'm using a 10-horse gun, and I only have a 5-horse compressor, so there was some catch-up time, if you will. So what I did during that time is I went and did some other stuff. There's always something to do in the shop, so I just kind of quickly blasted, depleted all the air, and then I just went and did some other things. So it's perfectly fine to use a bigger gun. You just gotta know that it's gonna consume all your air. Alright guys, well that's it for this video. I'm still waiting on the clutch to show up, and then we'll be able to slam this thing in the car.